So guys, I'm going to show you how I modified the handbrake. So this is the original truck handbrake with the lever and this is originally a hydraulic part. So I had to modify it to make it an electric part. So what you do is remove those two screws and all these parts, they come out. We don't need them anymore, so we can maybe use them later. What I did was pretty simple, so I widened the hole a little bit and put in a normal push button like in a doorbell. Very simple. So here it goes. It's just a push button right now. And if you are able to look inside, you see a big bulb all the way in the back in the top hole. It's hard to see on video, but that just pushes my button. Very simple. So let me open up the top for you guys. See what's going inside. So you see, there's my little doorbell, just a push button. Inside we got a large bulb. I believe this is M5. So just an M5 button. If you take this one out, there's just a little copper bowl in the end. This is the original part that's in there. There it goes, but that's very easy to remove with a normal screwdriver. Take it out counterclockwise and push this one in. I took a very large one. I can't remember exactly what size it is. I guess it's 30 millimeters. M5 times 30. And that should fit right in. And yeah, this is just very simple standard 2-pin doorbell. Nothing more, nothing less. I had to widen the hole a little bit. That's the only modification I did. So the air hoses that are going in, we don't need them anymore. So now let's put this baby back where it belongs and wire the stuff and keep going. Thanks for watching.